Hello, in this lesson we're going to go over how to use SeaMonkey, and as we can see here on the screen it says SeaMonkey is an all-in-one internet application suite. And there's many things it can do, but the main thing we want to use it for is HTML editing. So previously we've been doing everything in either Notepad++ or Text Wrangler, and that's good for the basics, but we want to learn how to use what's called a WYSIWYG, which is what you see is what you get. And that allows you to edit on the screen how it looks when you create content. So for example, let's see how this works. So we have our template, we've gone over our template. Now if I pull up our template in Text Wrangler, we get all this code gibberish like this, and it's a little difficult to follow, right? Now if I open the same document up into SeaMonkey, it comes up and it looks like this. So it opens up just like a web browser. So now this is just a normal web browser. And I could surf the internet if I wanted to. But there's one cool thing you can do with SeaMonkey. Notice this. If I hit either Command E or Control E on the PC, and what's going to happen is popping up here in another window, you get an edit window, and then you can edit your files. So on this site, students can learn English, and let's say I change this to American culture, right? So I can edit anything I want, and I can add images, I can add links, I can add a table. So it's much easier to do writing or adding images than if you use a text editor. So after I make a changes, let's say I have American English here, and I add what is the site englishvessel.com. So I add that right there. Now if I hit save, and then if I hit Command S, and then if I hit Command W to close it, so then if I hit Command R, watch this. So I've changed the page. So as you can see, it's really easy to make changes to the page if you use SeaMonkey. And one of the easiest things you can do, of course, is you can add images, you can add links, and we will show you how to do those in future tutorials. But for now, what you want to do is make sure you go and you download SeaMonkey and open up one of the sample files and hit Command E and see if you can change anything, and then save it and then hit refresh, and you should notice the changes. So again, you want to hit Command E once you open it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove American culture here. And image goes here at the top. How about that? I'll add that there. About this website, I'll change that from just, I'm going to change this to 1. Right? What if I make that big? Just so you can see the changes. Okay, so I make these small changes. I hit Command S, just like in a Word document. I hit Command W to close it, and then Command R to refresh, and then as you can see, we have the changes. So when you're editing text, it's much faster if you use SeaMonkey. So go ahead and download it, open up an HTML file, and try to change some text, and see how it goes.